So my name's Harry Youngman, and we've established in the last 12 months irrigation infrastructure and this magnificent hemp crop. So up until April last year, the federal government was loath to pass legislation that allowed the growing of industrial hemp. They did so, I think, on about the 27th of April last year, and they gave each state 6 months to get their own legislation in place. Around, I think, the 12th of November 2017, we were given the green light to proceed with our industrial hemp. So we had our licence after applying for it and having the required police checks and other bureaucratic processes to allow us to sow, and we sowed this crop around about the 20th of December. So this crop's been exclusively grown for Hemp Foods Australia, and the crop is for seed production purposes only. So we've endeavoured to grow the crop with planting spacings and cultivars to deliver the most seed possible. We're faced with challenges from a lack of community understanding, so we need to win the community over that this is a bona fide, genuine human food business. We need to grow carefully so that we don't firstly oversupply the market, and we need the market to grow with us. Also, we need to be very careful that the crop is grown in the right conditions wherever they may be, and certainly for summer plantings, irrigation is going to be required. Perhaps no irrigation required in very high rainfall southern latitudes, in Tasmania and southwest Victoria, for instance. This planting is circa 200 hectares under 2 centre pivots and 1 lateral move irrigators, and the farm we've owned for just under 12 months, and so we developed the infrastructure in the back half of 2017, and we were able to get it all prepared, ready for sowing, irrigators going in mid-December. I think actually that the government has done a very good job in getting clear, concise legislation. I only listened today to a US professor that had been presenting at the recent hemp conference, bemoaning the lack of clarity in the American system, where some states have given authority, yet the federal government still reserves the right to potentially fine and prosecute growers. That leads to very, very conflicting messages, and I've got to praise the Government of Australia for getting that right and being very clear about what's possible and what's not possible.